The polite little bear. It's always a good idea to be polite. People are happier to be around you when you use good manners. Remember to always say please and thank you. If you would like some yummy honey, you should say, "Please, may I have some honey?" When the big bear gives you the honey, you should say, "Thank you." Being polite is easy and makes everyone feel good. It's important not to push or shove your friends. And if you have to cough or sneeze, remember to cover your mouth. If you need to get someone's attention, the polite way to do it is to say, "Excuse me." You wouldn't just shout, "Hey you." That's not very polite. There are also table manners. That means eating nicely at the dinner table. Don't stuff your food in your mouth, and don't reach over your friend's plate. And it's not very nice to talk when your mouth is full of food. These are all simple things to remember. Being polite is really just about thinking how you would like to be treated. You wouldn't want someone to be rude to you, would you? It's not polite to point at others, burp loudly, or use someone's things without asking. If you grow up in a home where everyone is polite, it will all come naturally to you.